We move on to interactionism. Now, interactionism is another approach which is a reaction to the previous conflict theory or the functionalist kind of approach. उनकी अप्रोच में जो लेट्स से फोकस था वो मैक्रो लेवल की सोसाइटी पे था, मैक्रो लेवल की रिसर्च पे था. इनका जो अप्रोच है, दिस इज़ माइक्रो लेवल काइंड ऑफ फोकस. So interactionist theorists look at what teachers and students do in school. So within the school हम बात कर रहे हैं, और उसके अंदर फिर विद इन द क्लास बात हो सकती है, विद इन द ऑफिस बात हो सकती है. तो ये माइक्रो लेवल की बात जो है वो इंटरेक्शनिस्ट जो है इनकी अप्रोच का महवर ये है. So they study even the most commonplace, taken for granted actions and interactions, things most people ignore when they try to approach the, let's say, situation from angle of macro level study. So that is how we see that their focus is on individual and their interactions. And that means that individuals have this action in the presence of others. That's how we look at their mutual action, जिसको हम interaction की बात कर सकते हैं कि their mutual interactions are the focus of this interactionist approach. इसके main जो हैं let's say proponents उसमें Mead है और Cooley है. So they theorize the development of self through social interaction, whether it is in school or in other situations. तो इस interaction के basis पर एक image develop होता है एक इंसान का, एक student का, जिसको आप कह सकते हैं कि some kind of evaluation about the self. Call it as self-concept. So individuals sharing a culture are likely to interpret the situations. They can define many social situations in the same kind of context in similar ways. Why? Because they are socialized in similar kind of environment. They have common experiences. They have common kind of expectations. They are raised in the same culture, they share the same culture. So that is how we see that there are similarities in their, let's say, experiences, in their culture, in the interpretation of the situations. So these commonly understood interaction rituals in turn hold societies together. तो चूँकि ये सारे एक दूसरे के साथ कॉमनैलिटी पे बेस कर रहे हैं, इनकी कल्चर एक है, सो दैट हेल्प्स इन सीमेंटिंग द, लेट्स से, ग्रुप टुगेदर, द सोसाइटी टुगेदर. Although we see that there could be differences in interpretations of the situations, again in the same kind of context. So due to individual experiences, people have their identities, their self concepts, their images, कि अपने आप को वो क्या समझते हैं. वो कई अंदाज से आप देख सकते हैं. मे बी उनकी कॉन्शियसनेस है, सेल्फ कॉन्सेप्ट अच्छी है, बुरी है, हाई सोशल कॉन्सेप्ट है, सेल्फ कॉन्सेप्ट है, लो है, अपने आप को बहुत ज़्यादा इंटेलेक्चुअल समझते हैं, डमी समझते हैं, हाई किस्म के लीडर समझते हैं, क्या समझते हैं. दिस इज़ outcome of the experiences and interactions in situations. So we see that they commonly understood interaction rituals in turn hold societies together. Or sociologists of education using this approach focus on interactions इंटरेक्शंस किसके हैं बिटवीन पीयर्स, ग्रुप जो ऐसे हैं जो कि एक ही एज ग्रुप के लोग हैं, ये इंटरेक्शन बिटवीन टीचर्स एंड स्टूडेंट्स हो सकते हैं, ये इंटरेक्शंस टीचर्स एंड टीचर्स हो सकते हैं, ये इंटरेक्शंस बिटवीन टीचर्स एंड प्रिंसिपल्स हो सकते हैं. So their focus is on the attitudes, values and achievements of the students. Their focus is on the self-concepts and its effect on the students' aspirations. Their focus is on students' socio-economic status and their achievements, and also their focus is on the performance of the students, which might be as an outcome of the teacher's expectations. So they studied the results of ability groupings of students and schools as total institutions.